Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're back with another guide, and I'm going to show you how to set up a VPN app to get a fast, secure, and stable internet connection with extra protection while you're online. The app we'll be using today is available on the Google Play Store. On this channel, we always share apps and tutorials that help you improve your online security, and today we'll be setting up an app called Vray Tune. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your phone, search for Vray Tune, and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open it. When the app launches, you'll be taken to the home screen where you'll notice that a configuration is required before the VPN can work. To get this configuration, open any browser such as Chrome and search for Fast SSH Vray Tune. From the search results, open the dynamic server website. You may be asked to verify that you're not a robot, which only takes a few seconds. After verification, the site will take you to its main interface. Here you'll need to create a dynamic V2Ray account. Choose any server from the available list based on your preferred location. Once selected, tap on Create Account. You'll be asked to enter a username and an SNI. You can use any username you like, but the SNI must be working in your country. If you don't already have a working SNI, go back to the Google Play Store and install an app called CopNet. Open the app and select the SNI Generator option. Choose your country and tap Generate. The app will produce a list of working SNIs for your location. Copy one of them. Before using it, open your browser again and search for a host checker website. Paste the copied SNI and run an SSL check. If the result shows a valid SSL certificate, then the SNI is working. Now return to the Fast SSH website, paste the working SNI, complete the verification, and create the account. After a few seconds, your V2Ray account details will appear. Copy the configuration. Next, open the Vray Tune app again, tap on the plus icon and select Import from Clipboard. The app will automatically add the configuration. If needed, you can edit the address and SNI fields by pasting the working SNI you generated earlier. Once everything is set, tap on the Connect button. If the settings are correct, the VPN will connect successfully and your internet connection will be secured.